Are you looking for the best garden scooters in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best garden scooters that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Ironton Turn Bar Garden Rolling Seat. If you are searching for a convenient rolling cart for your gardening assiduities, then it is the affordable and versatile product to go for. It reduces the chances of knee bend or stress while you are working in your lawn or park. With the adjustable height system, you can lower or raise the seats to gain maximum comfort. It is suitable for gardening, cleaning or even painting your car, etc. At number 4, Leonard Swivel Scoot Seat. Investing in this highly functional scooter for gardening is a considerable idea. The durability and design of this product are incredible. With the help of the ergonomically designed handle, you can rotate this scooter according to your need in the garden. It will not slip or get blocked in the journey. You can use this vehicle for harvesting, planting, or even car painting, etc. The wheels are durable and have a diameter of 10 inches. Each of them is built with polyurethane rubber exclusively for your safety. At number 3, Peachtree Press Inc. Rolling Cart Patio Yard Adjustable Scooter. Get this brand new high-functional scooter for your garden. It works fantastic for light gardening activities or even painting or car repairing works. You can expect a smooth movement from this vehicle without causing anybody pain to you. The manufacturers have used strong and durable materials in its construction. There is high-class steel framing on the body. It has a holding weight capacity of around 250 to 300 pounds without any complication. At number 2, Kinsunny Adjusting 360-Seat Swivel Rolling Cart Garden Scooter. The manufacturers have designed this gardening scooter with adjustable seats. You can simply alter the height settings and comfortably engage in your gardening activity. Again, the large size of the seat allows us to hold a capacity of body weight around 310 pounds. There is a smart swivel, which you can rotate to get the desired height of the scooter and reach difficult areas of the yard. At number 1, Goplus Patio Lawn Rolling Cart Garden Outdoor. The most versatile and multi-purpose gardening scooter, which makes your gardening job super fun. It has a slowly built framing on the body, which will last for years. While moving the wheels of this scooter, you will not feel any pain or cramps on the muscles. The load-bearing capacity of this product is superb. You can adjust the height of this cart according to your requirement. It will help you to get a flexible movement while you are working. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.